On February 6, 2025, in Fenimore, Wisconsin, the quiet of a Catholic church was shattered when a man entered, claiming to be Jesus Christ. He forced his way towards the sanctuary. He assaulted the tabernacle and tried to steal the Eucharist, attacked a responding police officer, and collapsed on the floor, screaming and convulsing, turning a place of peace into sudden chaos.
Hello, sir.
Hey.
Deputy Woland to the Sheriff's Office. How are you?
I'm alright.
Okay, so what's going on today?
Nothing, I just need to open this.
Okay. Well, we can't really do that. That's the church's property.
Okay.
Is this man just off his meds, or is he possessed? You know, it's interesting. In Mark 5:5, it talks about a demoniac who night and day among the tombs and hills would cry out, shouting and cutting himself with stones.
Okay. So how'd you end up here today?
Because I'm Jesus.
I mean, for me to help you, you have to talk to me.
Some exorcists will point out that when a person is possessed, they may have very negative and adverse reactions to anything that is holy, any kind of item like a crucifix or holy water that is sacred in nature. Is that what is taking place here?
Step back. Get back. 20, can you step up? 616, can you get over here? I got more people coming. He's on something.
I'm Jesus Christ Almighty.
I'm back with the sheriff.
You.
We're just trying to help you out.
Yeah, you're devil.
No, we're not the devil. The devil's not here, man. What's going on?
You're the devil. Sorry, backing up.
What's your name?
I'm Jesus Christ Almighty.
Okay.
Is this mental confusion and deception or blasphemy against God?
Okay?
What can we do?
Back up. Back up.
What can we do to help
I'm
you?
Jesus Christ Almighty.
Okay, we got it.
Nobody else needs to die for their sins, motherfucker!
The reason why the audio continues to go in and out is because of his repeated use of profanity, which I have edited out for the viewers.
Okay, we need to...
No!
Hey.
Nobody else needs to die.
You are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back now.
No, I'm not.
Now. Yes, you
No,
are.
I'm not.
You're going to get tased. Put your hands behind your back now. Hands behind your back now.
Excuse me.
Put your hands
No, you're not allowed to do this in here.
You're going to get tased.
He says you're not allowed. I say you're not allowed.
You're going to get... Hands behind your back now. Now. You going to calm down for us?
I will call. I'm ready to speak. I am here.
The man says, "I am here." But is this a man speaking or a demon speaking through him, making his presence known?
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch this guy. I think I've had it. Not in death.
Come in.
From my waist and fly. I believe I can fly. I believe.
Yeah, one more.
You are saved. then you will see me again. I will be here, because I'm not going anywhere. We've been here all along. We are all eternal life. Yes, we are.
It's curious he speaks of we, because in Mark 5, the demoniac says, "My name is Legion, for we are many." So sometimes when a person is possessed, they refer to themselves in the singular, and at other times in the plural.
Yes, we are.
Jumped off back.
There are no shackles here.
The reference to shackles is also curious because the demoniac in Mark 5 was known to have been chained hand and foot, but often tore the chains apart and broke the irons on his feet.
Backwards.
There's nothing here. I give up. I give away all of my sins. For thou is the kingdom of glory. And all shall be free.
Oh, it's closer for you.
I am free.
Who's gonna go with them?
I'm not sure.
I'm here. I've been here all along.
So a follow-up report indicates that the man was off of his medications and had a mental condition. Was this just some kind of mental breakdown in episode because he didn't take his medications? Or is this some kind of demonic manifestation? Sometimes it's hard to distinguish between one and the other, but there are some signs that exorcists especially can use to determine whether something is a mental illness or demonic possession. In this particular case, he wasn't evaluated by an exorcist, so it's sort of hard to judge from a distance. But I want to hear from you. Do you think that this is demonic possession, something caught on camera that shows the existence of evil, the existence of Satan and devils and their ability to influence people? Or do you think that this is just completely something that can be explained by natural causes, and in this particular case, no indication of demonic possession? What are your thoughts? I do want to hear from you because it is a pretty fascinating case and in some ways quite terrifying to see on camera. Make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and drop your thoughts in the comment section.